everybody! Today we're going to talk about how to find the area of cones and pyramids. I know cones and pyramids are a bit hard for a few people to figure out. The problem is because it is triangular shaped, they think that they must divide by half, like you do when you have a triangle, like a 2D triangle, and you try to find the area. You are supposed to divide it by the area by half to get the area of the triangle. So that's what they do here, but that is not the case. Because this is 3D, we must divide by 3 instead of 2. So, let's get started. So this cone I've set up, it has a height of 5, and it has a radius of 3. So first what we need to do is we need to find the area of the base, which is this circle right here. Now, the formula to find the area of a circle is pi r squared. And r stands for the radius, which is the 3 right here. So we can substitute that in for pi times 3 squared. And then 3 squared is 9, so that's pi times 9. And to keep let's have the formula, the value of the volume be absolute. So we're not going to multiply 9 by 3.14, but we're going to keep the pi in there to get a more exact value of the volume. Alright, so now we're going to take 9 and multiply it by the height, which is 5. 9 times 5 is 45. So the area is now 45 pi. And then the final step is we need to divide this whole thing by 3. And so that's 45 divided by 3, which is 15. So the volume of this cone is 15 pi. Alright. So let's say that let's say that we don't know, I want that to be black. There we go. Let's say that we don't know the radius, but we do know the diameter. And so let's say that the diameter is 18. And let's say that the height is 20. Right, so the radius is half the length of the diameter. So what we do is we take 18 and we divide it by 2, which is 9. So this right here is 9. Alright, so now that we know what the radius is, we can now find out the the area of the base, and then from there we can find the volume of the cone. Alright, so get out our formula, pi r squared. Replace the r with 9, so now we have pi 9 squared. And 9 times 9 is 81, so that's 81 pi. And then again, we multiply 81 pi by 20. and we get 1,620. 1,620 pi. And then, finally, we divide that by 3, which gives us 540 pi. And that is the area of the cone. Now, pyramids are a little bit different, but they are also similar. So at first I thought since it was a pyramid instead of a cone, we divided by 2, but it is still dividing by 3. So make sure that you don't, make that mistake. Alrighty. Alrighty. There's our pyramid. And let's say that this is a square base, so we don't have to worry about finding, doing too much work finding the area of the base. So let's say that, oh shoot, dang it. Alright, there we go. Let's say that the side length is 4. And so since it's a square, we all know that the side lengths are all going to be 4. So that's 4 times 4, which is 16. And let's say that the height of the pyramid is, let's see here. Oh, that's not a very straight line. There we go, better. Let's say that the height of this pyramid is 8. So now we got 4 times 4, which is 16, and 16 times 8 is 128. And then we divide by 3, which gives us 42.66666 infinity, which is simplified to 42 2/3. Alrighty. Now let's do a pyramid that has a rectangular base. There we go. Okay. It's all wonky, I'm sorry. And let's say that one side of the base is 6, and the other side of the base is 17. So 6, 17. And then 6 times 17 is 102, which means that the area is 102. And let's say that the height is 31. There we go. So that means we take 102 and we multiply it by 31, which gives us 3,162. And and then we divide it by 3 again, and we get 1054. So that is our volume. And there you go. That is how you find the area of cones and pyramids.